We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com. Today we're going to talk about the power of momentum. Now, you may have seen this before. It's the generic map of Richard Wyckoff phases and demand and supply mapping. What we see on the left hand side here is we see a channel, two trend lines. The upper trend line is a supply line and the lower trend line is the demand line. And when price is moving down here, momentum is consistent with the channel's trend. But when price moves against the channel, for example, we've got a higher low, that is a change in momentum because it's not going down. It's also in relation to a change of behaviour or change of character. Okay, and here we've got a horizontal channel or trend line. So we've got supply at the top and demand at the bottom. So when price moves away from the channel, sideways channel or the trading range, it's a change in momentum. Once again, it's associated with change of behaviour or change of character. Momentum, or having some methodology to recognise momentum, is comparable to looking at a change of behaviour. Let's have a look at the original Wyckoff work. So here we have a Wyckoff chart from 1934, reused in 1937, section 22M, page 32. And here we have a downward channel. Line 1 is the supply line and line 2 is the demand line. Strong supply pushes price all the way down to the bottom of the channel. Down here, you see. So when the selling comes on, the selling is ferocious and pushes it all the way down to the lower line because that's where the demand is. And when demand starts to become stronger than supply, price does not reach the lower demand line because it creeps up because people are coming in quicker to buy the price. And see, here we have a low that is equal to this low, and now we have another low which is higher than that low. So in a sense, what we've just seen here is a demand momentum change, or a change of behaviour, because the change of behaviour is changing from supply coming in, right, pushing it down to the demand line quite aggressively, sell to the demand line, sell to the demand line, sell, stop, demand too strong, doesn't get to the demand line, and comes around and we get higher lows, right? Change of behaviour, change of character. So we go back to this. That's what I'm referring to here. Aggressive selling, hitting the demand line, lots of supply coming in. Then the demand is strong enough to stop supply hitting the demand line, so it moves away from the bottom of the channel. Wyckoff refers to this as technical strength. A is the ability to hold above the established oversold position in the line. Okay, so it doesn't reach oversold because the demand comes in. That's the initial supply. Sorry, it's the initial demand overcoming supply. So the idea of momentum, a demand momentum change or a supply momentum change, has been around in the Wyckoff school of thought. From the beginning. Let's have a quick example of we've got Newmont, and here's the RTT momentum which we've used. For example, we've got a trend up here, quite a good trend. As you can see here, I can't draw a trend line in because it's an image. Maybe I can, I don't know. Screenwriter, there we go. The fancy tools here. Alright. Okay, now what do? We want to change colour. Okay, so here we have trend going up with the channel, and this is a change in momentum and a change in momentum, which is reflected down here. Okay, so like I said before, Demand, demand, demand. Demand line. Oh, what's wrong with that? Oh, wrong little gadget, I think. There we go. Blasted. Anyway, we've got demand coming in. Demand coming in, and some supply comes in. So twice supply came in as a change of character and altered the demand pattern. And then it eventually broke. Okay. So momentum and having an indicator to help recognize help you recognize momentum, and also see when momentum is forming a change. Here we got a change. As you can see, it's moving away from the channel. Right. And breaks it. Change of character. And it's reflected in the momentum indicator. And here we get a violent change of momentum. So with readtheticker.com, we've got RTT momentum. We've got two formulas. We've got Formula 2, and you can choose another one, which is Formula 1. You can choose multiple settings. This indicator is quite good because here we've got daily data on the chart, but this is a weekly indicator on daily data. So momentum is a aspect of the Richard Wyckoff logic. It's good to have a tool that helps you recognize strong, weak, and change your character momentum. Especially when, for example, as we all know, the gold stocks had a bear market, no one could ever work out where it would end. The truth was you needed a momentum indicator that it would indicate a good change, and obviously a best change is when it breaks the green line or the zero line it goes over. So I encourage members to review the RT2 momentum, study it, select a slow, fast, and a medium one to compare, because within price action we do get multiple channels. Here's a long channel, here's the medium channel, and you get these small channels. What have I done? Small channels, right? So having multiple momentum indicators helps you to find minor divergences within the major pattern that help gives you a forewarning of a change of character, either demand driven or supply driven. Thanks for watching.